was pretty bad because there's only one seat.